Ever search for a CPU that says I game, I work, and I don't overheat like a toaster? Yeah, same. If you're typing best mid-range Intel processor at 2 a.m., congrats, you're exactly where I was. So today I'm breaking down the Intel Core Ultra 5 225 desktop processor. I've tested it in real builds, real workloads, no lab coat, no marketing fluff. Just honest performance. Watch till the end so you don't buy something you'll regret upgrading in 6 months. So this chip is built for both gaming and productivity with a solid cache setup and boost speeds up to 3.3 GHz. It handles multitasking smoothly, think editing, streaming, coding, and gaming without your PC sounding like it's about to take off. You also get DDR5 support and PCIe 5.0, which basically means faster memory, faster storage, and better upgrade potential. Pair it with an Intel 800 series motherboard and you're set for the next few years, not just today. Power consumption stays reasonable at 65 watts, and yes, Intel includes the laminar RM2 cooler. For normal users, it does the job without drama. So should you use it if you want a balanced CPU that works hard, games well, and doesn't demand extreme cooling? The Core Ultra 5225 makes sense. Not hype, just solid. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.